Okay, I'm on my way to the store. It's Blizzard 2018. It's cold. It's really cold. Oh no! I only have one windshield wiper. I can't see out of the right side of my car. I think I'm gonna die.
Okay, here we go. First turn. Take it easy, John. Take it easy.
Oh my gosh! I think I'm losing control of the car. I'm losing control. Oh! 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 Carts! There's carts everywhere! Oh my gosh! I'm gonna die! Excuse me guys, I'm sorry. I gotta find milk and bread. Where's the milk and bread? All the way back. Thank you. Thank you. Thank God they still had milk. Tell you what, we're running out in this winter storm, right?
Yep.
Whew.
I just need my milk.
Oh my gosh. All the bread is gone. I wanted white sandwich bread. There's no white sandwich bread. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What is this, organic? Organic? Ew, what is this? What am I gonna do? Okay, all right. I guess I'll just go with it. Organic is fine. Organic is good. Whew. Okay, we got a cart now. 2018 Blizzard's coming. What am I gonna need? What am I gonna need? I need light, just in case power goes out. I need some butane for my camp stove so I can cook things. Definitely gonna need something to drink. Okay, what else? What else? What else? I'm gonna need one of these. Gotta fight off Frosty the Snowman and you know, Yetis and all that jazz. And I'm gonna need some rope to tie them up when we get done. Some first aid for all the scratches. I'm gonna need some gasoline to light stuff on fire and stay warm. What else are we gonna need? Oh yeah, definitely one of these. Keep the snow off of us. Blizzard's coming in a hammock to sleep in. We can put it up under it.
Okay, take two. Go down again. Definitely need one of these for breakfast home because I know Blizzard's coming. Might leave the dining room table. What else? Backpack, of course, to hold everything in. Some steaks for the tent. Oh, no, I forgot the tent. We're gonna need a tent. Definitely need a tent. Which one? I think that one looks good. Okay. What else? Ooh, gonna need something to drink at some point. What else do we need?
Some beef jerky. Sustenance. Definitely. Okay, we're good to go. On to the next thing. Okay. Definitely gonna need a fishing rod to do some ice fishing. Definitely. It seems like a nice small one. That's good. What else? Some fishing line that'll blend in. Camo fishing line. And some nice big hooks for all the little fishes we got around here. Ooh, getting caught into stuff. Some nice little hooks for all the big fishies we got around here. Need some sinkers. What else do I need? Need a net to help bring them up because I'm going to be catching the Chesapeake Bay River Monster. Gonna need a fishing bag. Gonna need some of these fishing lures here. Yeah, that's a good one. Rattle trap, and that's really flashy. I'd definitely need that. What else? Alright, so I had to empty my cart. My wife sent me a list. Don't laugh at my spelling, it's terrible. Alright, so I got my yellow onions. Good to go. Alright, she said she needs 4 cans of tomatoes. Oh, everything's all messed up. Oh, you're broken. I don't want to play with you anymore. Anybody get the Toy Story reference? So 4 cans of those, and I need tomato paste too. She said 1 can, but I'll get 2 just in case. Always go above and beyond. Yep. Got my can of baked beans, because you know baked beans are good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you fart. The more you fart, the warmer you feel, especially in a winter storm. What else do I need? Some kind of kidney beans. Why do they have so many beans? There they are, hanging out way up here on top. They're hiding. I'll get 2 cans of those too. What could she be making with all of these beans? You know what? I think she's making some chili. That's what she's making. She's a good cook. She's the best cook ever. Got my eggs. Eggs too. I think that's for breakfast because we usually put eggs. And chili, unless it's a secret ingredient that I always forget. Gotta drop her in a gear, pop her back.
Gotta hurry up and get there.
Always getting distracted in here. Tell you what, you can never send a guy to the store to get anything. I'm over here looking at tires, getting all distracted. Gotta get back to what I'm doing. All right, got my windshield wiper. Now I can make it back home because you know that would keep the truck running. Got my transmission fluid. Lucas, it's the best stuff right there. We're sponsored by them. Tomatoes, check. Baked beans, check. Can of tomato paste, check. Eggs, check. Propane. Gotta get this. I didn't have propane. If I lose power and I need to cook something, I can just build a fire. I'm industrious, right? That'll work. Okay, so we got scraps of propane, we got kidney beans, we got yellow onions, we got, gotta get that Max sanding sealer. Yeah, so that thing. Alright, that was the last thing. We are ready to roll. We are ready to roll. Thank you, Walmart. Okay, so I ran into that curb and I can't get out of there. I'm stuck. I slid off the side of the road. I'm only about a mile from home. I got my groceries. I'm good. It's okay. It's okay. It's fun. This is fun. I'm having a lot of fun. Everything's an experience, you know what I mean? It's all about how you look at it. Cold never bothered me anyway. Okay, so I got all my stuff. I'm good to go. Oh crap, I forgot the eggs. Okay. Happy Blizzard 2018.